Ooh, I
shit.
got someone off. Ooh, that's
The noun,
I
the
hear
noun
anyone
is
move.
an
Oh,
album.
that's my mouth.
my mouth. So true.
You should. When are you updating your mail, Thomas?
I had Thomas.
Dude,
Are you doing it?
trademark.
Are you doing it
This
after
dude
this?
red and red.
After
What a
this run?
bitch.
He actually did.
Oh my god, what the hell is that horse doing, bro? He looked like he
It's
off
being
the
a
perks.
force.
He looked like he off the perks or something.
That's true.
I
Yeah,
know
how's
you
my
never
mind?
heard that, dude. I'm on my phone. Uh-oh. Dude. Okay, bro, hold on. I'll have to pull in the side of it. No? No, I'm on my phone right now. You're pushing P?
This is. I'm sure you can. I'm not sure you can tell. This is really bad.
Oh,
Wings 32 miles up.
Take your advice. Thank you. Right next
I might have to do something a bit daring.
There?
Yes, it works.
Oh.
No, no, I'm kind of
You
stuck.
good?
Oh wait, no, we're good. We good. I'm just. I don't care.
God damn it, Colin!
What's that?
What the hell happened, bro?
I need to turn my clipping software on. I forgot about that.
Oh
I'm
shit, there's a
driving.
fucking red light. Oh!
No, she did. Was
Red light violation, I'm turning on a fucking green. In what, 0?
Passing up to me, oh no. Thomas, get out, get out, get out, get out! If that moves. Oh fuck!
What are you guys doing?
You suck! Passing up to me, oh no. Thomas, get out, get out, get out, get out! You know what, Thomas, you're gonna learn your lesson in a bit.
What are you guys doing? Threatening
suck.
him, bro? What the hell
Are
happened?
you threatening a terror?
Fucking highway.
I see that. You know what? I don't need this fucking hoe ass job. I'm just. I don't
Michael?
care.
Michael?
God damn it, Colin!
Because I was waiting for you.
Oh, did you tell me you stopped?
That's my bad.
You're just your bad pimp.
That's my bad, Tim.
Pimp my ride.
What is he doing?
Wait, Carson, why is your profile pic? I lost.
I did.
Oh!
I have 5 accounts boosting my main.
Boost. Boosted.